He's gonna jump.
Yeah, and he's able to eat that way.
Yeah. Well, if he jumps, if they jump onto a tree, why wouldn't he jump onto that?
Boy, he must really like that stuff.
I want to see him get off. I think he's going to climb up it and then jump. I think he climbed down.
No, he couldn't climb up on that
Look at
roof.
this. Look at this. Oh, it's all the seeds. Oh, he's dumping the seeds. Now
Yeah.
he's learned a new way. We'll just shake all the seeds out.
And then he can go down on the ground and eat them. Yeah, see, you can't get on the roof.
Oh yeah, it's squirrel proof, all right.
Yep, now he's going to eat the seeds he knocked down.
You think squirrels are smart?
Yeah, there he goes. He's eating away.
So if I say you're a little squirrely, take it as a compliment.